Huawei is preparing to launch a new foldable phone called Nova Flip. Nova Flip launch set for August 5th in China. The company posted a teaser video on its Weibo channel. Huawei revealed the first look of the Nova Flip smartphone. Nova Flip come in green, white, pink, black color. It's come with side-mounted fingerprint. The new phone will have a 2.1-inch OLED square cover display alongside the camera island, and 6.9-inch folding 120Hz OLED screen with stereo speakers. Nova Flip using Kirin 5G chipset and up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM with US 3.1 storage and run HarmonyOS software. Nova Flip will get a 50-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. Nova Flip is powered by a 4000 mAh battery with 66W charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.